Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can connect to a Linux Mint machine from a Windows 11 PC, and we'll be using SSH. Now I'm on the Linux Mint machine. We need the IP address, and we also need to make sure that SSH is enabled on Linux Mint. So I'm gonna open the terminal. I'll right click and open terminal here. Let me cd, and then we check to make sure that SSH is running using the command systemctl status SSH. So we are getting the error message here that ssh.service could not be found, so we'll need to install SSH on this Linux Mint since it's a new install. Before we can install SSH, let's update the package repositories. We'll do sudo apt update. We'll put in our password. We'll go ahead and install SSH using the command sudo apt install, and then we'll do open SSH server, Y for yes. Clear this, and then we run systemctl status SSH, and it's inactive, so we need to start the services. We'll do sudo systemctl start SSH. We run the command to check the status, and now we have it showing us active and running. The next thing we need to do is to check the IP address. We'll do IP address, and the IP address we have on this machine is 172.16.1.102. So we'll need this IP address on the Windows 11 device. So this is the Windows 11 device. I'm gonna open the command prompt. I'll search using cmd, and this is the command prompt. So on Windows 11, the SSH client comes installed by default, and if I do SSH, you see I'm getting the options which tells me that SSH is already installed, so I don't need to install anything on here. Now to connect to the Linux Mint, the command is SSH, and then we'll put the username here on that Linux Mint machine, and then the IP, which was 172.16.1.10. Let's verify that. 102. Press enter, and if it's your first time connecting, it's gonna ask you if you trust the remote device. I trust the device, so I'll type yes and press enter. And here you need to type in the password for the Linux Mint machine. So we'll go ahead and type in the password for the user Eno here. I guess we'll try again. Let me check the logs here. So if we run the same command, systemctl status SSH, at the bottom you should see the logs, and it's saying failed password. So for some reason I'm inputting in the wrong password. Let's try one more time, and this time I'm able to log in. I can do W. It's gonna show me who's logged in, from this IP. This is the IP for the Windows 11 device. To do the IP config on another window, IP config. This is the IP for this Windows 11 PC, and it's showing that I'm logged in using SSH. And if I go back to the Linux Mint device, And let me quit this and rerun that command. You see that when we put in the correct password, it accepted the password and it shows the user in from what IP, even the port that you're using. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to Linux Mint from a Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.